You'll love this vehicle. It's a vehicle you'll want to take home. Call today and get in touch with the dealer directly and be the first person to open the vehicle's door today, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, traction control, rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.